And so here we are at Poundland. This one's just a small store, and they may not have any in there, but we'll give it a go and see what we can find. I'll switch off until I get... Well, so here we are, and actually they've got loads in, which is a good thing. Mind you say loads. This display here, that's all there actually is. So, sorry about moving you a little bit abruptly. I've just spied one of my favourites. Oh, sorry for turning you. Just got to get used to my gimbal. Oh, don't know why it's doing that. Anyway, premium Aran. And I need this colour, so I'll grab... They're 3 for 2, so I shall grab 3 of those. Let's see what else we've got. Let's get you straight. Got some of this. Always popular. So I'm going to get 4 of those. And what else? Yes, need some of this anyway. So I'm going to get 4. That's 3, 4 of those. Don't often, up right on the top shelf where I can't reach, don't often see this black anymore. I'm making something out of that, and I'm hoping I've got enough, so just in case, whoops, I'll grab 3 of those. Drop that one on the floor. So, sorry, didn't mean to jerk you around. This one is the same as the other one, makes those little flowers. Pretty cute, so we'll grab a few of those. And I don't know about you, but I've lost count how many I've got now. Another one of those. As long as I've got multiples of 3, we're good to go. Don't need any of the other colour Arans. Let's just see what else is down there. I've got that pastel. The blue actually looks really nice, but it's not in the flesh. It's kind of wished out a bit, really. We've got grey. I think that's the decayed grey. They did have some Aran in grey. But although, as I say, it looks nice blue, it's not particularly. And there's the sparkly one that I've been having in my giveaway. I've got red, which is, I think... No, it's DK. They did have that in Aran as well. I'm glad they got the mustard in Aran though, but the chunky, although you get 3 for 2, and it's nice and soft. I've never really been enamoured with the colours because they've got grey and that colour burgundy. I've seen a white, but with a little fleck in it, but I can't see it at the moment. They're up here, I don't think I can get up there, it's too high. But they've got the lilac one with the shimmer. They've got white with the shimmer. But they're all 3 for 2, and as you can see, although it's not a massive selection, they usually have a lot of them. They did have a really beautiful, in this range, this is the blues, then they've got these pastel shades, but they had one that was kind of warmer tones, like pinks and oranges. It was kind of the pastel shade of these, and that one was beautiful, and I haven't seen it since, unfortunately. I keep looking out for it, but I haven't seen it. So basically, that's Poundland. I'll go back quick. Now there's nobody here giving me strange looks, and that is just that little part there. That's what there is. So if you imagine in other countries where you get aisle after aisle after aisle of lovely yarns, but here we get a little end, but packed full of goodness. So thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll get notified when there's new videos. I've got one coming up for Poundstretcher. We'll do Wilkinson's. Oh, don't look at the Kleenex, do you? I want to get some of this as well. Okay, we'll have a count up in a minute. So I've gone a bit crazy, but thanks very much for watching, and until next time.